Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of summer prom outfits. Prom is one of the most memorable nights of your high school experience, and finding the perfect outfit is key to feeling confident and stylish. Whether you are aiming for a classic, glamorous, or trendy look, we have got you covered with a variety of stunning options. Let's explore some beautiful summer prom outfits that will make you shine on your special night. A-line dresses are a timeless choice for prom, offering a flattering silhouette that suits various body types. These dresses cinch at the waist and flare out gently, creating a graceful and elegant look. For a summer prom, consider lighter fabrics like chiffon or tulle that will keep you cool and comfortable. Opt for soft pastels colors such as blush pink, lavender, or sky blue, which are perfect for a summer evening. Complete the look with delicate jewelry, a pair of strappy heels, and a classic updo. If you are aiming for a more dramatic and glamorous look, a mermaid gown is an excellent choice. These dresses hug your curves and flare out at the knees, creating a striking silhouette. Looking for gowns with intricate beading, sequins, or lace detailing to add a touch of luxury. Rich jewel tones like emerald green, deep navy, or ruby red can make a bold statement. Pair with high heels, statement earrings, and sleek hairstyle to complete your red carpet ready look. Two-piece prom sets have become increasingly popular, offering a modern and chic alternative to traditional dresses. These sets typically consist of a crop top and a matching skirt, allowing for a bit of skin to show. For a summer prom, opt for lightweight fabrics in fun prints or vibrant colors, floral patterns, metallic fabrics, and bold hues like fuchsia or royal blue can make you stand out. Add a pair of elegant heels, some sparkly jewelry, and lower loose waves for a youthful and trendy look. For those who prefer a more relaxed and bohemian vibe, flowy dresses with ethereal details are perfect for a summer prom. Look for dresses with lace, corset, or floral appliques in soft, breathable fabrics. Maxi dresses with flowing skirts and off-the-shoulder or halter necklines can create a dreamy, effortless look. Earthy tones like ivory, peach, or sage green can enhance the boho aesthetic. Complete the outfit with strappy sandals, a floral crown, and minimalistic jewelry. Nothing says prom night quite like a sparkling sequin dress. These dazzling outfits are perfect for making a grand entrance and catching the light on the dance floor. Opt for a full sequin gown or a dress with sequin accents to add some shimmer and shine. Gold, silver, and rose gold are classic choices, but you can also go for bold colors like teal or magenta. Pair with simple accessories and let the dress be the star of the show. A sleek ponytail or elegant bun can complete this glamorous look. Vintage inspired prom dresses can offer unique and timeless elegance. Look for styles that harken back to the glamour of 1920s, 1950s, and 1970s. For a 1920s inspired look, consider a flapper dress with fringe and beadwork for a 1950s vibe. An A-line dress with the cinched waist and a full skirt can be stunning. If you are inspired by the 1970s, opt for a flowing maxi dress with bold prints and bohemian details. Pair with vintage accessories like pearls, gloves, or a chic headband to complete the look. Ball gowns are perfect for those who want to feel like a princess on prom night. These dresses feature voluminous skirts and fitted bodices, creating a regal and dramatic silhouette. For a modern and edgy twist on prom fashion, consider wearing a chic jumpsuit. Jumpsuits can offer up elegance of a dress with comfort and uniqueness of pants. High-low dresses are perfect for those who want the best of both worlds, the elegance of a gown with the fun and ease of a shorter dress. These dresses feature a hemline that is shorter in front and longer in the back, creating a dynamic and stylish look. Lace dresses exude elegance and sophistication, making them a timeless choice for prom. Looking for dresses with all-over lace or lace accents on the bodice, sleeves, or hemline. Soft pastel colors like blush, mint, or lavender can enhance the delicate nature of lace. For a sleek and understated look, consider a minimalist slip dress. Fit and flare dresses are fun, flirty, and perfect for dancing the night away. One shoulder dresses offer a more sophisticated and modern look for prom dresses. These dresses feature an asymmetrical neckline that adds a touch of drama and elegance. Metallic dresses are perfect for those who want to make a bold statement at prom. For those who love to stand out, bold print dresses are a great choice for prom. High neck dresses offer a sophisticated and elegant look for prom. These dresses feature a high neckline that adds a touch of class and refinement. Look for high neck dresses in luxurious fabrics like satin or velvet and choose styles with interesting details like lace, embroidery, or bead. For those who love to stand out, bold print dresses are a great choice for prom. Look for dresses with unique patterns such as floral prints, geometric designs, or abstract art. Thank you so much for joining Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye for now.